Hi everyone, this video is regarding Markensia. Markensia is a bryophyte. It belongs to the division Bryophyta and class Hepaticopsida, order Markensiales, family Markensiaceae, and genus is Markensia. It is represented by about 65 species. The name Markensia was given in honor of Nicolas Marquand. He is the director of Botanical Garden of Gaston d'Orléans in Blois, France. All species are terrestrial and cosmopolitan in distribution. Means they grow on land and they are found everywhere. They prefer to grow in moist and shady places like banks of streams, wood rocks, or on shaded stubbed rocks. They grow best after forest fires in burnt soil because the soil gets nitrified, so their growth will be best. In India, Markensia is represented by 11 species, but only 6 species are reported. They can be seen growing in eastern Himalayas at an height of 4,000 to 8,000 feet. Some are also found growing in the plains of Haryana, Punjab, Uttar Pradesh and hilly region of South India. The common species of Markensia include Markensia palmata, Markensia polymorpha, Markensia simlana, and Markensia polymorpha is the most widely distributed species. It grows as submerged in swampy meadows. Next, coming to the external structure, the gametophyte of Markensia is dichotomously branched. Means two branches can be seen from a single point. It is prostrate and dorsiventral thallus-like. Thallus-like in the sense the plant body is not differentiated into true root, stem and leaves. And the plant body is dorsiventral in the sense it has a dorsal surface and a ventral surface which is attached to the substratum. We call it as prostrate. The dorsal surface of thallus shows many regular rhomboidal or polygonal areas, and each area has a pore at the center. A distinct median groove, that is midrib, is present on dorsal surface in each branch of thallus. And on the other side, that is on the ventral side, it corresponds to a ridge. The branches grow indefinitely by the means of a growing point which is situated in the terminal groove. It is known as apical notch. The growing part is apical notch. The ventral surface of thallus bears 3 or 4 rows of scales and rhizoids on both sides of the midrib. The scales are membranous, one-layered thick. Usually, they are violet in color due to the presence of a pigment called as anthocyanin. They are of two types. The scales are of two types, appendiculate and ligulate. The appendiculate scales are situated near the midrib and they are large, more elaborate due to the presence of an apical sub-rounded appendage. The ligulate scales are small compared to the appendiculate scales, and they are present towards the margin, which do not have any appendage, and their function is they protect the growing points of the thallus from desiccation. Rhizoids are unicellular and colorless, and they are of two types. These include smooth-walled and tuberculate. They perform the function of anchorage to the substratum as well as absorption of water and nutrients from the soil. Mature thalli bear specialized erect branches. We call them as gametophore, which are umbrella shaped, and they arise from apical notch. They are of two types, antheridiophore and archegoniophore. The antheridiophore bears antheridia and archegoniophore bears archegonia. Antheridiophore gives rise to antheridia, which forms antherozoids, which are male gametes, and archegoniophore gives rise to archegonia, which gives rise to egg, which is female gamete. Marchantia is dioecious, so it bears either antheridiophore or archegoniophore. This is the structure of tuberculate rhizoid. We can see peg-like structures, and this is smooth-walled rhizoid. The walls are very smooth, complete, and this is appendiculate scale. We can see appendage, and appendage is absent in ligulate scale. Thank you.